I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me, you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Help keep elephants in our world. Visit WWFheals.org or call this number and symbolically adopt an elephant for just $12 a month. Your support will help WWF protect elephants and other threatened wildlife and their habitats. Go online or call in the next 5 minutes and we'll send you an adoption kit with this adorable plush elephant. Don't let them disappear forever. Act now to help keep elephants and other precious wildlife in our world. Go online or call now.